this could be a cheaper and easier alternative to buying an expensive backup camera. If you have an extra phone laying around, which I do, then you can put that on a tripod in the back of your car, like this. I'm using the anchor point as a way to hold the tripod up and keep it from sliding around. And once I set the tripod up like this, then you can put the phone mounted onto that tripod. Wide angle, if the camera has that, would be even better. And then it's looking out the back window. Especially with wide angle, you can see a lot more. And it's a really good view. And then what you do is you have a second phone, maybe dedicated to the car or just your phone. And then you put the IP webcam app onto the camera phone that's going to stay in your car. And there's lots of options on that app, lots of different options. You can have the screen on all the time on that phone, or you could have it off, or you can have it with two-way audio. You can choose the resolution and the frame rate and all of this stuff, and then you can start the server. And once you start the server, then you can just set up a hotspot on the phone that is going to be either your phone or one that would stay in the car to view it. Then connecting the camera phone to that, then you just load up a web page of the exact IP address of that camera, and then you can watch a live feed just like this on your phone, a live feed of the backup camera. So now you can back up. You can use this for other things too. This can be as a security camera, but especially for a backup camera, that's something that I haven't seen a whole lot of people use this for. And that could be a pretty useful thing for an older car that doesn't have a backup camera. And if you have an extra phone laying around, might as well. There are lots of options like two-way audio. You can take a photo, you can zoom in, you can have it motion detecting, so it would notify you if there's motion, all types of things. It's a pretty interesting app, and it's called IP Cam, and it works on Android phones, and the receiver phone could be any type of phone.